Alright guys, so today what I got for you, I'm gonna make my own like a pita bread. So I got my scale right here, and my blender right here. First we're gonna start, I need 225 grams cottage cheese. So I'm already on the grams. I'm gonna measure out 225 grams. Alright, got my 225 grams. Now you need 2 eggs. Little salt. A little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna blend her up. And guys, here it is. Just in here is 320 calories and 39 grams of protein. Just in here. That ain't the stuff that you stuff it with, whatever you plan on stuffing it with. That's just in here. Sure to keep you full for a very long time from all that protein. Put my parchment paper down, by the way. Got my oven preheated to 350. You wanna bake this for 30 minutes. Here's what I got. Now, in the oven. All right, so use some high heat cooking. Grapeseed oil. Got my chicken breast already all cut up. And so I put a few little seasonings. No calorie seasonings. Black pepper. I use Mrs. Dash, but we heard of very diety, good seasonings. All right guys, so a while back, making tacos, I said, I love raw honey. You can't go wrong with it. Let me see what it'll do if I sprayed it all over my ground meat. God, I'm telling you right now. Put this, not much, watch. Don't seem like I'm putting a lot, but it don't come out much. Put this on your chicken, on your ground meat, on your pork, and cook it. Cook this honey into it. I promise you, you'll thank me later. Take 6 eggs, crack them in there. Wish it was fresh farm eggs, but way more healthy for you. I'll get some. Put some baby spinach in there. All right, all done. Like I said, 350 for 30 minutes. Not like the one I've seen, but not as thick for sure. But let's see if I can get it off. So I got it off easier than I thought. I just flipped the parchment paper, slowly put it back. Tore it in a couple spots, but kind of looks eggy. But it feels kind of bready. Now I'm gonna load it with all the goodness that I just cooked. All right, I have it loaded down, I think to its max capacity. Maybe I could put a little bit more, but I'm not going to overdo it. A lot of it's going to spill out anyway. But now, fold it up, cut it. All right, end result. Got them cut, got them plated. Looks good. Now we're going to try it. Let's see. Ready?
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
This is so good.
Lots and lots of protein. Not too many carbs. Good bit. But this should hold you over for a very good while. A lot of protein in it. Mm-hmm.
I want to bite.
Probably between 60 and 70 grams of protein easily. So we all know what protein does to you. Keeps you full. We'll make you one. Easy, fast, not too expensive, and can hold you over for a long time. God bless.